Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do 2022 comes to an end trend on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on the search icon and search in the top bar 2022 comes to end. Okay, and you will find different videos, and here you can see the option of use template. Click on that option and you now have an option to use template, and you simply need to click on add media and you can select photos that you want to add here. So for example, click on next, and after that you can create a video that you can share with your followers on Instagram. So this is a process by which you can do 2022 comes to end trend on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.